nang mawala.
Hi guys! So, karon napami sa Som. And then, ay di ko kamamukupot ko videographer. Enjoy ko guys.
Sinagdanan na rin na, Dave. This is my reaction video. Lingi. Oh.
Sige, ayun na.
Uy, basig ni utabang ba para kasi
Wala pa lagi sila. Hana kay naata wala ni. Mag-commuter.
Mag-commute ka. Naong saloy.
She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed.
Punching. Ah! Ayaw ba? Hey guys, vlog na to today. Saon pagtapos sa inyong feelings. Charot. Patay ka na siya.
There's nothing to keep you from falling in love. It starts at the bottom, it comes from above. Pieces of a puzzle, like a
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, I finally gets to ride in one more song.
Dagan. Eh!
Hi girl, lupog to.
What if ni ana imong crush tagaan daw kaniya chicken skin. Nya kilig kay ka pero wa siya kuha kabalo na tinola di ay to. Bali ta tinola. Wag ka nang mawala. Wala ni ko ganahan mag-joke ani nila guys kay. Dugay jud kay kagets guys. Di na sila humorous. Bogay, dili ka ganahan chicken skin sa fried chicken. Iya, abi ni mag chicken skin ba na sa fried chicken?
Sabi ni mo fried ka chicken skin.
Hala karon pa nakagit ang mga bugo. Alin. Tuk. Oh, marunong ba? Alisa in her Maui era. This is her after knowing her grades. Daon na din na. Open your mouth. Daon, madita kay lang guys. Ayun. Pada maldita kay me. Daon. Kami ko rin Happy birthday. Ano naman? Sa boyfriend ko dyan, I miss you. I'm passing this phone to someone na ang love language kay physical touch pero ang uyab nasa layo. Crush niya, wag i-crush back. Katang film ba? Sa ako, wala. Dali. Nanalabis siya? Ano ba na? Wala magkatayo na natapon buya-buyagin tawon ayaw na lang umangat kay flames na nag-inom ngunit sa pagkakaroon
Explore ko yung mong hero.
Kinsa na?
Tadtad mo.
Kinsa na?
Tadtad lang mo ko.
One mistake to say you're not in love no more. Was it really love if you could leave me for something so innocent as this dear?
You were riding your bike to the sound of it's no big deal.
Ate, dungan ko kaanin niya.
And you're trying to lift off the ground on those old two wheels.
Gigo laban.
Nothing about the way that you were treated ever seemed especially alarming till now. So you tie up your hair and you smile like it's no big deal. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. Not invite your family cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for leaving and going out.
Bye!
Matilda, you talk of the pain like it's all alright. But I know that you feel like a piece of you's dead inside. You showed me a power that is strong enough to bring sun to the darkest days. It's none of my business, but it's just been on my mind. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. Not invite your family cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for leaving and growing up. You can see the world, following the seasons, anywhere you go. You don't need a reason cause they never showed you love. You don't have to be sorry for doing it on your own. You're just in time, make your tea and your toast. You framed all your posters and dyed your clothes. Ooh, you don't have to go. You don't have to go home. Oh, there's a long way to go. I don't believe that time will change your mind. In other words, I know they won't love you anymore as long as you can let them go. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. You can start a family who will always show you love. You don't have to be sorry for doing it on your own. You can let it go. You can throw a party full of everyone you know. You can start a family who will always show you love. You don't have to be sorry, no.
Jis na na, Jis na na. Jopa.
Walking Scott Street feeling like a stranger, with an open heart, open container. I've got a stack of mail and a tall can. It's a shower of beer, it's a payment plan. There's helicopters over my head. Every night when I go to bed, spending money and when I'm lonely, that's what I wanted. Do you feel shame? I asked you, how is your sister?
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I take your photo?
I heard you got
Can I steal it from you?
You said they're all getting married.
Busy. O, diba? Ang ingon ako, di ko matuog. Sige, sa. Ha? Hindi, mama. Kanta dyan na. Happy birthday, happy birthday. To you. Okay, blow your candles. Ay, Mika, wait. Yeah! 1, 2, 3, go. Na 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 na. No way. Na 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 na. No way. So ilaga di ka karon. As if ilaga karon. So muna siya view guys. Para siya wala siya mga piste. Charot. How to eat. Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, go. Blur kay ba? Trisha. Taas ang pilok ko. This is a video recorder. Okay, later. Wala man. Robin yan.
Shirt?
Hanap ko sa Bakit nyo mo sa Natal? Wala kayo dapat pilianan ka.
Bumirang mo ni bumirang.
Bye-bye, Kati! Bye-bye! Bye! Bye!
Bumirang. Siyempre di ka mapin. Kakawan sa dimoy ka snap sa dimoy.
Wala, nakita sa bumirang niya. Anak mo! Atay!
Sige na kagkaon dala ha. Aha, ang gunting. This is the evidence. If mamatay si Dave, kabalo na natin sa nagpatay. Hmm? Ang good.
Isend ako sa atong GC.
Looking for something to buy.
Hindi ang silabor. But your record name mo tayo. Mention tong name.
Wala sa pala hubog.
We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line.
Success has always been the first starting line.
We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line.
It mainly depends
We'll be a fine line.
Unwind kay
Just like my
Pininabuang na din.
things that we'll never
mabuang ba sa
Nang nasa pwede.
The sunshine hits our my hands are a scaffold. Chris trepidation. I'll try to shake this sun.
Hi!
Spreading you out when you wait on
Eliza, binigyan ng flowers ko. Show it, show it, show it. Wow!
We'll be a fine line.
Wow!
We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line. We'll be a fine line. We'll be a
My
fine
favorite.
We'll be a fine line.
Wow!
We'll be a fine line. 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 We'll be a fine line.
Wow!
We'll be
Ito pa. Saan pa pangayog sudan? Practice practice. Saan pa pang... ako daw si Miss Dalji. Sige, nag-atok-tok. Uy, day, ali. Ali, day. Nice. Isa rabi akong mahatag ni mo, day. So here's our new friend, Key. KY as in KY. Not K-E-Y. That's Key because, you know. Balik. Say hi.
Walking Scott Street feeling like a stranger with an open heart and open container. I've got a stack of mail and a tall can. It's a shower of beer, it's a payment plan. There's helicopters over my head. Every night when I go to bed, spending money and I earn it. When I'm lonely, that's when I'll burn it. Do you feel
Malaki kayo.
change when you hear my name?
Scholar sa UC School of Medicine, Miss Hanape Bastila.
I asked you, how is your sister? makes me feel old. You said, what does that make me?